In this lesson, we will be introduced to the Windows desktop and learn how to navigate the different areas of the desktop. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time a new video drops. And be sure to plug in your email at www.visionoptional.com to get notified when the website launches and get some free material as well. Let's get to it.
A metallic blue globe is seen spinning in the center of the screen on a dark blue background. The words Vision Optional slide in each side. Below, Braille letters appear one by one, spelling out Vision Optional.
Introduction to the Windows desktop. The desktop is made up of two different areas. One I like to call the desktop area, and the second I like to call the desktop bar. The desktop area is where many of your icons for your shortcuts, files, and folders will be located. It takes up the majority of the screen, approximately 80 to 90% of the area. The desktop bar is a thin bar that runs along the bottom of the screen just under the desktop area. To ensure that focus is on our desktop, we're going to hit the key combination Windows D, Delta.
Folder view list, Internet Explorer 8 of 21.
To ensure that focus is on the first item on our desktop, we're going to hit the key combination Control Home. I'll do that now.
Recycle bin not selected 1 of 21.
Recycle bin not selected. It means that this item is not selected. So if I was to hit enter to open this item, it would not work because it is not selected.
Folder view.
You also heard the location of the item, 1 of 21. That means that I have 21 icons on my desktop, and this is the first icon in that list. There are two ways to navigate the desktop area. That is directional navigation and first letter navigation. Directional navigation is done by using the up, down, left, and right arrow keys to move between the icons. So for example, to move 2 places to the right, I'm going to press the right arrow twice. And I'll do that now.
JAWS 2026 of 21. NVDA 5 of 21.
To move 2 spaces to the left, I'm going to press the left arrow twice.
JAWS 2026 of 21. Recycle bin 1 of 21.
To move 2 places down, I'm going to hit the down arrow twice.
Dropbox 2 of 21. Skype 3 of 21.
And to move up, I'm going to press the up arrow twice.
Dropbox 2 of 21. Recycle bin 1 of 21.
Now, first letter navigation is done by pressing the first letter of the item you are looking for. So for example, if I was looking for Zoom Cloud Meetings, I would press Z until I hear Zoom. Keep in mind that there may be multiple items on the desktop sharing a first letter. So if you don't get to the item that you're looking for right away, you're going to continue to press that letter until you find what you're looking for. So let's see if we can find Zoom Cloud Meetings.
Zoom Cloud Meetings 4 of 21.
It's right there. So now we're going to move to the desktop bar. In order to jump to the desktop bar, we're going to press our tab key to move into the desktop bar. We'll do that now.
Start button.
Start button. And we're going to continue to press tab to step through each area of the desktop bar. I'm going to press tab now.
Type here to search button.
Type here to search, sometimes called Cortana. This is where we're going to type in applications or files that we may be looking for on our computer.
Talk to Cortana button.
Talk to Cortana. Cortana is the voice assistant for the Windows operating system.
Task view button.
Task view.
Running applications toolbar. MCFE Live Safe button.
Now this is actually the task bar, and we'll talk more about this in a later lesson.
Notification chevron button.
This is the notification area. We will also talk about this in more detail in a later lesson.
Show desktop button.
Show desktop button.
Folder view list. Zoom Cloud Meetings 4 of 21.
Folder view list, Zoom Cloud Meetings 4 of 21. So that means that we've stepped through all of the items on the desktop bar, and we're now back on the desktop area. Now to move in reverse, we're going to just add Shift into the equation. So instead of just pressing Tab, we're going to press Shift to go in the opposite direction. Shift Tab, I should say. I'm going to begin pressing Shift Tab now. Now keep in mind that you have to press the Shift key in combination with Tab in order for this to work. So I'm going to press Shift, then Tab now.
Show desktop button.
Again.
Notification chevron button.
And I like to hold the Shift key down as I move through these items if I know that what I'm looking for is a few tab presses away from where I currently am. So I hold down the Shift key as I press Tab. You can hold the Shift key down and press Tab and release each time if you prefer, but I just like to continue to press the Shift key down. I'll keep moving until we reach the desktop area again.
Running Applications toolbar. MCFE Live Safe button. Task View button. Talk to Cortana button. Type here to search button. Start button.
One more time.
Folder view list. Zoom Cloud Meetings 4 of 21.
And that is a quick way of navigating the desktop. This was the introduction to the Windows desktop with the NVDA screen reader.
A page appears. Subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Anchor FM, and Twitter @VisionOptional.